Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel, Julia RTV. And today is April 29th. And this is how my yard looks after all the snow, after the vandalism. Somebody came and broke into my yard, took my neighbor's fence panels. Then they came over here. Right there in that bag, I had a whole bunch of metal that I was gonna toss out. They did me the favor, but then out there, they just took all the garbage that I had in my cans and threw them all over the place. This is why you need cameras in your house. That's the cattle panel that I'm gonna use to do something with. That was my compost area, but the snow just, man, we had snow all the way up here. It's just crazy. That's right there. That's with the wood chips that I'm gonna use to fill that low area there. And yeah, I'm gonna start a series called "What Will Become of My Yard?" And if you have any suggestions besides telling me it needs to be cleaned up, because I know that all we've had is rain and snow. Like, it's drizzling right now as I speak. And yeah, what suggestions do you have? I can't do nothing about that. That's my neighbor's fence. But everything else, all this is mine. And yeah, so if you want to follow me on this journey, I do have two busted ankles, but one is really bad, and I'm disabled. I can't lift one of my arms, so it's gonna be hard, but I'm gonna try my best to do it. This year I want to start gardening, and every time I try, I'm telling you, something happens. The devil is a liar. So in your comments, if you don't mind, give me your suggestions or your thoughts. What do you think will become of my yard? And I'll see you in the comment area. And I'll see you soon with an update. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and have a blessed day.